By the way, guys, help me beat that YouTube algorithm by subscribing, liking, and commenting below. You are much appreciated. Yes, you, right there. Yep. You, yes. You are special to me. Very special. What's up, Radar Cars family? Touring Superleggera, or properly pronounced in Italian, Superleggera, is an Italian coach builder, which, in case you didn't know, transforms already awesome cars into even more beautiful and unique works of art. For the company's 95th birthday, they're going to be rolling out an awesome exotic car called the RH95, which is a mid-engine carbon fiber supercar. It uses the Ferrari F8 Tributo's 710 horsepower V8 and its 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, and as you can see here, it's awesome. The Arese is scheduled to make its debut at London's Salon Privé show this September, with deliveries starting 1 month later. If you want one of these Picassos on 4 wheels, just a heads up, only 18 are going to be made. So you better start selling your house, motorcycles, kids, kidneys, and whole families right away. The company also says the Arese RH95, and I quote, with an authentic Italian accent, expresses a touch of drama in all of its features. From the scissor doors to the bright aluminum side trim to the grille to the front air nostril, every flank in the panel offers a visual delicacy, like a pizza. I made that last part up about the pizza, but it's probably true. I would say that my official position here at Rated R Cars is that this is an exquisite, fine piece of art. I mean, look at those lines, the sleek front end, the beautiful aero, those gills on the fenders, that dorsal intake, the shoulder air inlets, and that corresponding rear outlet, and oh, those rear body contours are just voluptuous. Or as the Italians say, voluptuous. Man, Italians are master craftsmen. I mean, what else would you expect from a country that brought us things like Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Ducatis and Augustas and pizzas and clothes and pizzas and art? And did I mention pizzas? They just get things done in Italy. They do it right. Touring continued. The Arese's stage presence reaches its zenith, however, with the rear clamshell, where the dorsal scoop is the car's emblematic feature, simultaneously bold and functional, optimizing forced air circulation in the engine compartment. They added that the memory of the Alpha 33 Stradale might occur to the connoisseur. The Arese can hit 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in just 3 seconds flat, putting the 0 to 60 somewhere sub 3 seconds. Not too shabby. They have a 211 mile per hour top speed, and also said that each car will be thoroughly tested and quality assured before its owner sells all non-vital organs to be able to afford the down payment to take delivery. Kidneys, lungs, who needs them? I mean, would you rather have a testicle or this? Yeah, that's what I thought. The first Arese is finished in a Verde Pinot paint and caramel interior. Caramel. The second car will be painted what the company said is a brilliant red of Alfa's 8C Competizione with white nose panels like the 60s Alfa GTA racers. The third car will have Gulf Oil orange and blue livery. And here's a good place for some words of wisdom. Interior ergonomics, overall visibility, and the Aero Series cocoon concept of individual cockpits for driver and passenger give the former a highly usable and comfortable workspace, and the latter a viewing and sensory experience of a lifetime, and they continue providing each the most pleasurable experience possible. You know, I applaud this company, making this pleasurable experience for these 18 billionaires. Because billionaires have it rough, sitting in their mansions on their private islands, sipping cocktails, and then telling us common folk that we have to foot the bill for their social justice agendas. Billionaires, they're so close to the pulse of average everyday America. They just get it. They totally get it. Further enhancing this individualization, a new bespoke touring pattern seat facing will be monogrammed, like the finest tailored shirts, with the hand-stitched, small and discreet initial T. As I said, Touring plans to make only 18 Areses, and buyers can supply their own donor cars. The design firm didn't say what the donor car is exactly, only that the Arese will be built around the chassis and drivetrain of a well-known exotic mid-engine donor car whose active dynamics have been engineered to handle the new body loadings and specifics and ensure performance and efficiency. The company said each one will take 6 months to complete, and that the price range is available upon request, which I'm guessing is probably at least $1,200, or maybe like $1,300. Or was that $13 million? Anyway, we are going to be getting an Arese for the Rated R Cars channel. It arrives in October. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't buy this car in a million years, because I'm a mere peasant, not a billionaire philanthropist. Unless we get 60 million subscribers here at Rated R Cars, or even 10 million. Here's my promise to the Rated R Cars family. If you help to grow this channel to 10 million subscribers, I promise to buy an Arese, probably a used one, probably a salvage one, but I will buy an Arese, and I will paint the names of every single person who says the secret code word Arese down in the comments below. That's my promise to the Rated R Cars family. Alright boys, and my sister, niece, and mother, keep it locked on to Rated R Cars for more Mustangs, motorcycles, and man tech, and always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. I will see you in the next one. Superleggera, Arese, pizza, pasta, Ducati. You'd think I was Italian.